and the appellation, so Bardolino appellation, has been created in 1969. So it's one of the oldest appellations in Italy. Bardolino, the Bardolino wine has always been known for being a fine, elegant, and complex wine. This until the 80s, when with the arrival of the mass tourism we got here on Lake Garda, and with new techniques in the winery, the wine lost a little bit his importance, and so now we are trying to get back to that old history when Bardolino was considered one of the best wines in Italy. So the terroir of Bardolino is a unique terroir because we have a mix of influences at the same time. On one side, there's the influence of the lake, that is a warm influence that warms the microclimate, because this huge mass of water, Lake Garda is the biggest lake of Italy, so it changed the climate. This water warms the microclimate during the winter, and so we have usually warm winters, not so cold winters, so it freezes, not too much, and the summers are hot but not too hot. Because on the other side, close to here, we have all the Alps, and in the evening we get these fresh winds from the mountains. So in September, that is the key moment for the ripening of the grapes, we have an important difference between day and night in temperatures. So in this way, the grapes can ripen at the best. The mix of this climate with the soil we have, that is a poor soil without limestone, with a lot of stones, gives this kind of wine that I think in Italy is a little bit unique, because also in the reds, also in the hot summers, we never get much more than 13% of alcohol. That I think is what I'm looking for now as wine. I mean, me as a drinker. So I want wines that are light in alcohol but complex. This is what we can get here, even with the climate change. So that is something that in the future will give us a lot of importance, I think.